Some bad news for iBafana Bafana. SABC News are reporting that the team is still stuck in South Africa after facing some visa issues. Kuthiwa-ke bekumele bahambe-ke namhlanje ekuseni belibhekise khona-ke laphana eMexico, kodwa ngeke basakwazi ukuthi bakwenze lokho because some of the players do not have their visas ready. iBafana Bafana bekumele-ke ibhekane nayo-ke iJamaica on the 6th of June, beprepare-ke as their final preparation for the match against Mexico. So lokhu kusho khona ukuthi if they are still stuck la eMzansi for more days, ngeke bakwazi ukuthi bayidlale leyo friendly match because the players will not have more days yabo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi ba-recover. So this is very bad for iSAFA and for iBafana Bafana ke cause-ke ama-plans abo-ke asezoshintsha kakhulu if-ke bahlala more days la eMzansi. So hopefully they will be able to fix this and leave the country as soon as possible because sengibonile kamanye ama-African countries, they are already there in Mexico, USA and Canada. They are already preparing for the upcoming World Cup. So if-ke thina sizohlala la eMzansi kuyakhombisa ukuthi-ke maybe asikho that serious about the tournament. So hopefully-ke bazokwazi ukuthi bayilungise lento as soon as possible, bahambe ngabadlali-ke baye khona-ke laphana eMexico.